just done with installing a water purifier for a house, or rather we call it a domestic water purifier. Now this one is a 5-stage one. We have different types, we have a variety, but this specific one is five stages. 5 stage means the water goes through 5 stages before it reaches to the consumer. The first one is sediment filter, whereby we remove sediments and all particles. They are removed in the first stage. From there, water gets to the second stage, which is a granular activated carbon. We remove from that. At that point, we remove odor, taste, excess chlorine, pathogen, bacteria. From that stage, we go to another type of carbon filter, which is carbon block. Carbon block removes all those elements that were supposed to be removed from that made it to bypass stage 2. From there, water is pressurized by a booster pump to the reverse osmosis membrane, which is the 4th stage. Reverse osmosis membrane removes all excess minerals. From there, water gets through 2 points. That is the purified water and the rejected water. Rejected water, we direct it to the drainage. The other water, that is the pure water, we pass it, we take it to pressure tank, 300 liters in a day. That means that water is enough for cooking, for washing fruits, and for drinking, right? So we are your water guy. We always ensure that we are consuming purified water, which is also, we also have equipment for softening water and for business purpose. Thank you very much.